Today I'll be showing us how to create 10 amazing shots from your long video. Have you always thought, how do I create amazing shots from my long videos? With an app that you know about, the famous almighty app. Stay tuned and watch this video from the beginning to the end. Remember to subscribe, like, share. Put your comment in the comment section. Let's go on. The first thing you'll notice is you can see that I have 10 amazing shots here, right? Can you imagine your long video turned into little shots for you? Okay, so you'll be wondering, how did I do this, right? I'll be showing you how. Now, these small videos you've seen, you can post them on your YouTube Shorts, Facebook, you can post them on your Instagram, your TikTok, all over your social media platforms. And guess what? You will drive traffic to any of your social media you would like to drive traffic to. For example, if you want to build your YouTube, just post this on other social media, put your link and refer them to go watch the full video. So let's get right into it, shall we? Let's go. So the moment you open your CapCut on your desktop, you can use your phone, you can use your desktop, but I will be using my desktop. You're going to see this part here. Here. When you click on it, it will open this way. When it opens, it will ask you to drag and drop file here, or you get your file from Google Drive or Dropbox or Space. But I'll be clicking on this part and I'll be bringing in a video. So you just click on any video you would like to use and you click on open. So when you click on open, it will open the video this way. Have you seen it? So what are you to do? You're to here, select caption template. So you're to choose the kind you would like to have. If you don't want to have anyone, you just leave it at default this way. But if you want to, you send it, you can leave it like this, default. That means it will do nothing. But if you want your caption to have maybe this, you can see how this one is writing, or this, or this, or this, you choose. So I'll be choosing this one. And then the next one is set duration for shots. You have 60 seconds, 60 seconds to 90 seconds, then 90 seconds to 3 minutes. So you can choose any of it, okay? So I chose 90 seconds to 3 minutes, and then you click on this part, convert. So you click on the convert, it will then convert it into the little videos you saw. For the first one you're going to do, you'll be getting it for free. But from the next one, you have to pay for it. Okay? So if we click on convert, it's going to convert it. Can you see it? So this is how it will convert the video for you. So it's going to convert the video for you. So the first ones you're going to do, you get them for free. After this one, you would have to pay for it. So for the first time you're converting, you'll be getting the video absolutely free. But the payment is even very affordable, so it will be worth you paying for it. So the moment the video is done, the video will be this way. Can you see it? Because this video is a short video, I'm having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see it? It depends the duration of the video. That is how many shots you're going to have. The first one I showed you has about 10 shots because the video was a very long video. But this one, the video was not too long, so I only got 5 shots from it. It has even given you the title already. This is the beauty of this app. It converts it, it cuts it into smaller videos, and guess what? It gives it also the title. So this one says complete guide to removing admin access on Facebook. So the moment your shots are ready, you will then click on the shot you would like to post. Let's say I want to post this one, right? And then you click on export. Can you see it? When you click on export, it will export the video into your phone or into your laptop. Now, this is the video. It has already given you the title, the 4K resolution, and everything that needs to be set here. The next step is for you to click on this part, export. So you then export the video and you wait patiently for it to export. So the moment it has finished downloading, you're going to see video is saved to your desktop or laptop. You can share it now. So if you're using a phone, it will be saved into your phone. So you can share it into your TikTok and you can share it into your YouTube. But I will be going into this part here where they wrote open file. I'll be opening it and it will take you straight to where the video has been saved. So can you see the video? This is the video. So what do? You can now use this video. For me, what I normally do, I copy it and I go to here. This part they wrote download, so that I'm able to see it very fast, and I drop it into my download. So with that, I'm able to find the video very fast. So I click on it. Let's see what it has created for us. You click on your channel, you go to customize channel, you go to basic info. We're going to be adding a link here. Okay, now what do? Copy this, your channel's URL. Come over to your search and you click on enter. Now what do we want to do here? Because we would like people to subscribe to our channel. You just put in question mark here. You put in question mark, you put sub dash, you put underscore, you put confirm, nation, you put equals to and 1. You copy this and you go to customize your channel. You go to your basic info. You click on add link. You type in here subscribe. And you put it here. And then you click on publish. You click view your channel. Now you're going to see on top of your channel here, you will see that link. So when you click on it, it's going to show confirm channel subscription. Are you sure you want to subscribe to UBL? You click on subscribe, and that is how people will subscribe to your channel. Okay?
So with this, people can subscribe to your channel. So let's check out this channel as a visitor.
Amazing. So that's the video we have downloaded, and that is the end result of what it is. So what do? Start taking all these shots and start spreading it all over your social media platform. And you know what? You can prepare this for 1 week. So every day you're posting a shot concerning your videos on the internet. And if you can do this successfully for the next 1 month, I promise you one thing, you're going to get a lot of followers, your watch will increase, and if possible, if you're not monetized, you will be monetized. Come, let's change our story together. And I'm going on a journey of 1 month monetization. So I wish you good luck, and we'll all see at the end of 1 month our monetization, and we'll celebrate together. Thank you guys for watching this video to the end. And if you have not yet subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe, put on the notification so that whenever I drop videos like this and more, you will be in the know. And if you have any questions or challenges, put it in the comment section. And I want you to remember, time is currency. Be focused. Watch the next video that will pop up after this video ends. I'm Alpella, and this is Alpella Academy. Thank you guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.